I tell you, you can meet some very interesting people who work behind the scenes. Why, just last summer, I met a guy who could read lips. And I said, that's great. You can read lips. You can stand on a busy street corner and see what people are saying inside their cars as they drive by. You know what is on the mind of any city you go to. And he goes, well, it's not all it's cracked up to be. And I said, how can it not be good? And he said, well, sometimes there are problems. Tell you one thing, if you ever see this woman screaming, don't just break into the house to help her out. And I said, why don't you do that? And he said, well, sometimes she's just yawning. And when you break in, the boyfriend gets all mad and it's a big mess. Well, guys, I say, if the boyfriend is so boring that he's making the young lady yawn, go ahead, break in, help her out. But seriously, ladies, if you do have a boring boyfriend or husband, when you yawn, cover your mouth. Because a lot of times, well-meaning guys can misunderstand.